Cummins Calterm 5.16 efficiency in every diagnostic step. When it comes to heavy-duty engines, efficiency is not just about performance on the road. It's also about how quickly and accurately technicians can solve problems. Cummins Calterm 5.16 is built to deliver that efficiency. Unlike standard diagnostic tools, Calterm 5.16 gives users direct access to engine controls. It allows real-time monitoring, adjustment of key parameters, and immediate validation of changes. This capability reduces repair times, minimizes guesswork, and ensures engines are umit for their specific operating environments. Another advantage is its global accessibility. With a consistent English database and compatibility across Windows 10 and 11, technicians worldwide can rely on stable, reliable performance. The lightweight 7.24 MB install size makes it easy to set up without compromising functionality. The included 2-year license provides peace of mind for workshops and fleet operators, ensuring uninterrupted use and long-term value. By investing in Calterm 5.16, businesses can cut down time, extend engine lifespan, and boost overall profitability. For those who demand more from their diagnostic software, Cummins Calterm 5.16 stands out as the professional choice. Discover its full potential today at diagnostic.com.